Hey guys, it's your Tech Koya Jamancheta and welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna take a closer look at the Huawei Nova 5T. And no, this isn't the same Nova 5T that we have seen before. We had a hands-on that smartphone before, but this time, well, it's still a Nova 5T, but it comes in a new color. It's called the Crushed Green. So we now have a black color. This one I have the Nova 5T in black, and then we also got the Nova 5T in purple, but this time we now have a new color, Crushed Green. So before we proceed to our unboxing, be sure to subscribe to our channel. So click that bell button and also that subscribe button to get the latest notifications and videos about Jam Online YouTube channel. So what are we waiting for? So let's take a look at this smartphone. And guys, so the Huawei Nova 5T in Crushed Green is very similar. Actually, it's similar. It's just the color. And we got here the 128 gigs variant with 8 gigs of RAM. So the price is still the same. It's $17,990, and if you buy right now, they have the Together 2020 promotion for this Valentine's, in where you can get a free Bluetooth speaker whenever you buy a brand new Huawei Nova 5T at participating stores. So let's see what's so special about this smartphone. So let's see. Okay, so we got here the oh wow, okay, wow. So I'm really into colors, and look at that baby. This is the Huawei Nova 5T. I'm gonna remove the plastic now. That is so satisfying, and you can see here the difference between the two smartphones. This is the Huawei Nova 5T in black. This one is the Huawei Nova 5T in Crushed Green. We have, oh wow, I cannot describe how good the Huawei Nova 5T in Crushed Green is. There's like an invisible line. I'm not sure if you could see that one. There's like an invisible line in the middle that separates the two colors. It's actually darker in here, but yeah, you get the point. There we go. So there's some reflections. I like the reflections on this one. It's so beautiful. Actually, this is a lot better compared to the purple color and also the black color of the Huawei Nova 5T. So the color does have some exciting and really cool effect. I'm not sure if you could see that in landscape, but yeah, this is actually beautiful. I hate the reflections of my light over here, but you get the point. The color is beautiful. It's actually like blue. I'm not sure if you could see that in blue, but this is actually, well, actually it does look like blue when reflected on the light. So mukha siyang blue-green, but yeah, I can't describe. It's so good. I mean, I like the color. It's like blue, but it's green. I can't describe it. It's like blue-green. Basically, that's it. It's blue-green. But yeah, you can see here that it's very similar. You got here the same quad camera lens at the back that is headlined by a 48 megapixel main camera. Then of course we got here the punch hole display. You can see that because the background is dark. But yeah, it's pretty much the same Huawei Nova 5T that we have unboxed before. It's basically the same with a new color. And what's inside the box? Well, we got here the pin for the card tray. Of course, we got here the jelly case, quick start guide, and the warranty card. The 22.5 watts charger, the USB-C to USB-A cable, and of course the earphones with a USB Type-C port. Ooh, so satisfying. Alright, we've set up the Huawei Nova 5T. As you can see here, we got here I changed the wallpaper. It's a green live wallpaper. It looks perfect on the crushed green color of the Huawei Nova 5T. Yes, it's crushed green, and yes, it does look like blue-green or blue in the camera, but still, I like the color of this one. This is actually my favorite color of the Huawei Nova 5T. You can see here, we got here the punch hole display, yada yada yada. You know everything about that. We had a comparison and hands-on of the smartphone before. We still got here the USB-C. There's no changing in that. We do not have a headphone jack on the Huawei Nova 5T. We got here the speaker grill. And of course, on the side, we got here a side-mounted fingerprint scanner that I actually like. I actually prefer having a side-mounted fingerprint scanner than having the fingerprint scanner at the back. Again, everything is pretty much the same. We got the Kirin 980 processor, we got the 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage. But the thing is that we got a new color. And I'm actually curious, which ones do you like? I mean, I do not have the violet color here at my home, but I have the black and the crushed green. Which one do you prefer? The black, the crushed green, or the purple? So I want to know the comment section. So be sure to check out the comment section, comment the color that you like for the Huawei Nova 5T. And actually, this is just an unboxing of the crushed green color. I just want to show you the crushed green. It's basically the same. We got the glass at the back. We got some fingerprint smudges already, but yeah, it's powerful and it's beautiful. So the Huawei Nova 5T, actually I'm looking at my notes right now. Huawei is having this Together 2020 promo in where, well, we do have the crushed green color, and now we have the Huawei FreeBuds 3 in red. It's a Valentine red edition. Perfect this Valentine's if you have a boyfriend or girlfriend that, you know, needs an earphone. Probably is a great gift. It's a Valentine red color. Actually, I'm just gonna show you the press release. There we go. But yeah, there's the photo of the Valentine red edition of the FreeBuds 3 over here. Yes, I'm wearing red, and yes, I'm wearing green pants. But yeah, you get the point. So the Huawei FreeBuds 3 comes with a cover case, this Together 2020. So starting February 8 until February 21. And of course, the price is now down to $8,990. I think this is, I still think, actually this is the best earphones that you can get at $8,990. There's noise cancelling on this one, which is really good. It's very comfortable, and the sound quality was just awesome. While the Nova 5T is now available for $79.90, it comes with a free Bluetooth speaker. And again, we got the crushed green color, we got the black color, and of course, we have also the purple Nova 5T. So I guess that's it for our unboxing and short preview of the crushed green color of the Huawei Nova 5T. So be sure to check out my website at jamonline.ph to get the latest news about this one, of course the other promotions, and to get all the details about the Together 2020 Valentine's edition. Yeah, I actually forget. Yeah, it's Together 2020. So yeah, they also have other promotions for that. So yeah, I guess that's it for our video. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and of course, don't forget to check out my other videos, my website at jamonline.ph, my Facebook group, my Facebook and everything. The link is below. You can check it out. So yeah, so once again, I'm Jam of jamonline.ph. Thank you for watching, and see you guys again in my next video.